It was the second week of term back in September. A phone call on the Tuesday from the lead inspector, followed by, we're coming in a week later. What was requested at that time was quite limited compared to a core inspection, very much around the school development plan and looking at the recommendations from the previous core inspection. I did offer the self-evaluation report because the way we structure things at Birchgrove Comprehensive School is very much both documents go hand in hand, but I was requested to pass on the school development plan, in particular the priorities within the school development plan. A further question, working with the lead inspector on key staff names, timetables, and how the 2 days would be structured. So we spent the next week via emails, firstly, uploading to the virtual inspection room just very, very limited documents, the school development plan and key staff timetables, and using emails to correspond regarding when certain staff would be available and which staff would be needed to deal with certain priorities that were in the inspection.